Want a fast car but don't have supercar money? No worries. There are tons of budget sports cars that deliver serious performance, style, and excitement without draining your bank account. Today, I've got 5 cheap sports cars that punch way above their weight. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. First on the list is the Mazda RX-8, a car that's often overlooked because of its rotary engine reputation. But hear me out. This car is lightweight, perfectly balanced, and revs up to 9,000 RPM. The handling, sharp and precise. The best part? You can find these for under $7,000. Just make sure to check for proper maintenance. Rotary engines need some extra love, but when taken care of, this thing is an absolute joy to drive. Next up, we have a true sleeper, the BMW 135i. Think of it as a mini M3, but way cheaper. This little beast comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6, pushing over 300 horsepower in stock form. And with a simple tune, it can destroy cars way above its class. Right now, you can grab one for around $10,000 to $15,000, which is a steal for the performance you get. Just watch out for maintenance costs. Older BMWs can be a bit needy, but if you get a good one, it's worth every penny. You can't have a cheap sports car list without a V8 muscle car. The Ford Mustang GT S197 is one of the best bang-for-your-buck sports cars out there. With a 4.6-liter V8 pushing out 300 horsepower, a manual option, and that raw American muscle sound, it's an absolute beast. You can still find these for under $10,000. And if you want more power, there's a massive aftermarket scene ready to help you mod it into a monster. At number 2, we've got a JDM legend, the Nissan 350Z. With a 3.5-liter V6 making 287 horsepower, or 300 horsepower in later models, rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual, this car is built for fun. Whether you want a drift machine, a daily driver, or weekend racer, the 350Z does it all. The best part? You can still snag one for around $8,000 to $12,000 depending on condition. And finally, at number 1, a car that shocks a lot of people, the Porsche Boxster 986. Yes, you can actually buy a Porsche for under $10,000. The early Boxsters, 1997 to 2004, come with a mid-engine layout, razor-sharp handling, and a timeless design. It may not have crazy horsepower, 201 to 250 horsepower depending on the model, but the driving experience? Pure Porsche magic. If you want an affordable way into the Porsche world, this is it. Just be sure to check for IMS bearing issues, as that's the biggest weakness of these cars. So there you have it. 5 cheap sports cars that punch way above their weight. Which one would you pick? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more budget performance car content every week.